Hello, this is Tech Realty Rentals LLC. Hurricane season is here, and we want to share a few important safety tips to help our tenants stay prepared and protected.
Keep an emergency kit ready with water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, medications, chargers, and basic first aid supplies. Before strong winds or storms arrive, bring inside or secure outdoor furniture, trash cans, decorations, and anything that could blow away. Make sure all windows and doors are fully closed and locked. This helps reduce water leaks and wind damage during heavy storms. If you notice leaks, loose branches, clogged drains, or any maintenance concerns, please report them before the storm whenever possible. Stay informed by checking local weather updates and emergency alerts. Follow instructions from local authorities if severe weather is expected.
After the storm passes, avoid standing water, downed power lines, and damaged areas. Take photos of any property damage and report it to us right away. At Tech Realty Rentals LLC, your safety is important to us. Please stay prepared, stay alert, and contact us if you notice any storm-related property issues.